Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Looks like this guy's leaving with someone's TV.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Denver, Colorado. Check her out.
Dude.
Memphis, Tennessee. A 2-year-old wandered off during a family party. Luckily, this guy seen her and was able to bring her home safely.
Excuse me, is this your kid? Yeah. No, him, brother. How'd you find him, man? She was just showing up by the wall. I had to pick her up. Right outside the sidewalk. Doors.
San Jose, California. Apparently, this lady's messing with someone's trash can. She ends up throwing the trash can into their car and running off. Portland, Oregon. Apparently, this prankster's going around toilet paper in people's houses. Hey, take that off my camera, buddy. Seattle, Washington. Seattle, Washington. Looks like we got a backyard creeper here. Portland, Oregon. An Audi gets stolen from a homeowner's driveway. It appears as if he has some sort of key fob hacking device. They pull up in an Audi and they steal an Audi. Maybe he used to work for Audi at the dealership or something, because he gets in the car and drives off within a matter of a few seconds. Might want to park your car in the garage next time to prevent this. Stockton, California. Check out this bootleg Ice Spice.
Hey, what you doing? What you doing? Get away.
Yeah.
Get away.
Get lost!
The hell?
Memphis, Tennessee. San Jose, California. Better tie those Halloween decorations up, because they're going around snagging them. Wheat Ridge, Colorado. We got another backyard wanderer here.
What are you looking at? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Get lost! Minneapolis, Minnesota. Yeah, it's definitely that season.
You're busted.
Syracuse, New York. Better keep those doors locked. We got a doorknob wiggler here.
Who is that?
Fuck your ass, bitch. Got you again, I'ma pluck your ass.
Salem, Oregon. A neighbor shared this video after they caught somebody going through their truck red-handed. Apparently their son was on his way to work, and he caught this guy just in time going through his Tahoe.
What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? This James' house? Hell no, get the fuck out of that car. Oh shit, we're going wrong house. Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Make sure you check out the Doorbell News store at doorbellnews.com. Thanks for watching. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.